Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this 2020 GMC Terrain, and in this quick video I'd like to show you how to replace your fog light bulbs. So if one of your fog lights is out, fog light bulbs is out, so this is pretty simple way how to change your bulb. So what we're gonna do first, we're gonna start the car and turn the wheel to the opposite side, and over here we're gonna have three screws, hex screws, 1, 2, 3. It's gonna be T10. Where's my T10? Right here. Like this. Okay, it's gonna be T10, and we're gonna remove 1, 2, 3 screws. Let's do that. All right. So 1, 2, 3. Just put them here, and now we're gonna just move this liner to the side as much as we so we can just get our hand in. And right here is our tail light. I'm sorry. Here we have our fog light. To remove the fog light, we have to remove the connector. So put the yellow pin, goes down. Just have to somehow get it down. Let me try a screwdriver. So just by using a screwdriver, I managed to take the red pin down, and now we should be able to press and take off the connector. Take off the connector, spin bulb, and get it out. As you can see, super simple. This is gonna be H11 bulb. So go to the parts store, get your bulb, and replace same way. Get it in. Till it clicks, connect the connector, and put the red pin in. After that, realign this liner and put screws back in place. That's it. Okay guys, hope this helps. If it does, please press like button, and have a great day. Bye bye.